NordVPN versus SurfShark VPN. In this video, we'll be putting NordVPN and SurfShark VPN head to head in a series of tests to see which one comes out on top. I am going to tell you that this test or this video is not personal or anything. Although I use both VPNs, I have Nord and SurfShark, so you will know that I am not biased to one VPN. They both have their own pros and cons, their pricing, then we'll compare their features, number of servers, and then we'll go ahead and see how fast they are and how well they respond to other streaming services and websites. In terms of cost wise, so here is the cost for NordVPN. Monthly, we have 3 plans: standard, plus, and complete, and we get a bunch of different features as well. As you can see right here, it costs you $12.99 per month. Then we have the plus, which is $14.19 per month. Then we have complete, which is $15.69 per month, and these are all the things that you get. In the standard one, you get, well, malware protection, tracker, and ad blocker. In the plus one, you get cross-platform password manager, data breach scanner. Complete one, you get all of them plus 1 TB cloud storage and next generation file encryption. And this is how much it costs per 1 year. As you can see, $459, $579, $729. For 2-year plan, it's $329, $449, and $599. And you get 3 extra months in all of these plans, and you can save up to 60%, 57%, and 63% on all the plans. So Surfshark's pricing plan is a little bit different. 1 month plan, which is like a monthly plan. Then they have a 24-month plan, which is like a yearly plan. And then they have a 12-month plan. In them, they provide all of their features, right? So if you scroll down over here, number of devices is unlimited, all right, which is pretty amazing in my opinion. And you get a number of servers of 1,000 plus. You get the ad blocker, the bypassers, Surfshark Nexus technology. You get in every single of these plans. They don't have like a plus plan, standard plan, or complete plan like the NordVPN. That's why if we come over here to the monthly, we can see it's $12.99, the standard one, $14.19 in the plus, and $15.69. In price wise, I would say that Surfshark has the edge, and in terms of number of devices, NordVPN only provides you with only 7 devices, and they give you all of these features. And as you can see, for the 2-year plan, it's $239. You save up to 82%, and you get 1 month extra. Whereas over here, 2-year plan is actually pretty costly. Same with the 1-year plan, it's $399. NordVPN's plan is only starts from $459. Keep that in mind. In price wise, I would say Surfshark has the edge, and in terms of number of devices. So next up we have features. So these are all the standard features that all the VPN, dark web monitor, and a dedicated IP, right? These are like standard, right? Nothing too crazy over here. And as private DNS, double VPN, you get split tunneling as well, which is pretty cool. This one is actually really helpful, again, with the double VPN as well. These are all standard, nothing too crazy over here. Surfshark, you get clean web, no ads, trackers, or malware. It stops all of that. Unlimited devices, as I said before, and a bypasser as well. So over here, for example, if you wanted to go to a specific website that you didn't want your VPN to access, then you could just simply bypass it right here. But if you wanted to go through it, you can go through it as well. It works really cool. And there's a kill switch option as well, which is available on NordVPN as well. There's a private DNS and leak camouflage mode, browse privately, no borders mode, change your IP, encryption, and secure protocols. In terms of feature wise, I would say the Surfshark is a little bit better. These are all like standard features, they all have them. Split tunneling, Surfshark has them, but Surfshark has other features as well, like camouflage mode and browse privately and no borders mode as well. Next up we have servers. Now here is where NordVPN takes the lead. It has over 5,583 to be exact, right, in 60 countries. You know, Surfshark only has 3,200 plus in 100 countries. Because NordVPN has more servers, it's going to be a little bit more faster. Keep that in mind. Surfshark has more countries as well, 100 to be exact. So it depends on you. In my personal experience, I have found that NordVPN is a little bit faster. Surfshark is also really good. It's not a big difference. It's like 19 and 20. So now that we know all these things, let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, these are the UI of both VPNs. As you can see, NordVPN has a very big UI. Surfshark has a very compact one. You get a list of locations on the left hand side. You get static IP, multi-hop as well. It's a pretty amazing option as well, so if you want, you could go ahead and do that. And you also have some more country options over here for NordVPN as well. Click on this tab right here, drops down the whole location. You get all these different locations and dedicated IP, double VPN. I don't even know what that is. Onion over VPN, which is like the dark web monitor and stuff like that. Depends on you how you feel like it. It all depends on your personal preference on which one you like it. In my opinion, they're both really amazing VPNs. They both have their own pros and cons. As I said before, NordVPN is a little bit faster but limited devices and features. SurfShark is a little bit slower, not a whole lot, a little bit slower. It costs less, it has more features, and you get unlimited devices. So it depends on you. Enjoy this video, then of course please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. And also, as I said, let me know in the comment sections which VPN do you like. And also check out this next video